We now know a little bit about XML, so let's figure out how our app is displaying Hello World. So at the root of every layout has to be a layout element. In this case, we have a relative layout. We'll get into what a relative layout is in another lesson, but for right now, just know that it's the root element. And then the child of the relative layout is the text view. And text view is a user interface element that allows us to display text. So the text that it's allowing us to display is Hello World. And how is it doing that? Well, you can see here that text view has this attribute Android:text. And the value for that is this thing @string/hello_world. So this looks like it has something to do with Hello World, but of course it's not the exact text that's being displayed. So what's going on here? Well, actually what text is doing is it's taking as its value a reference to where we will find the string. And where we will find the string is in the strings file. So this says, go look at all the strings and give me back the one named Hello World. So let's open up this strings file. And if we look here, we actually see a string, right? This is a string element with a name attribute that has a value hello_world. So that matches up to what we found here. And then if we look inside of that element, there's the Hello World string there. So what happens is this, again, this is a reference to this string, and we go get the value and then display it. And if we look at this preview, I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. We see the Hello World. And in fact, if I change this to Hello Course, it updates here. And you can actually see that see how this is highlighted? That's because right now our cursor's on the text view. So if we went to relative layout, it's no longer there because it's the whole screen. But if we go here, we're selecting our text view. So this is a specific element on the screen. And it's displaying, now it's displaying Hello Course. So let's change it back to Hello World because that's what matches up with the name.